This airplane actually will be the most efficient twin jet ever developed in commercial history. But the other big part of it